All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Hyundai Elantra. It is the beautiful silver with gray cloth interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. Believe this vehicle has 16,000 miles on it. Super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Does have a heavy scratch there, less than an inch, but it is there. Is your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread. It's just at the line of 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire thread. She's over 730 seconds. Got a heavy scratch here, about 4 inches. Boom. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Keep it moving. It does come with 2 keys and 2 key fobs and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Obviously, your AM, FM, CD play, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's working. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. There's your radio. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues. Your mileage of 16,483. Looks good. Keep it moving. Oops. Oh, there it is. Got up the trunk. Just got it out of Ultima. When the Ultima's the trunk button is down the dash. Here's the other side. Here's the rear passenger seat. The holes, the tears, the rips. Looks good. Showed you that scratch on the rear bumper. The rest of it looks pretty good. It's got another one here, about 3 inches. A little chippy there, and another one above it, and one more there. Your lift gate, your deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. They tuck away your owner's manuals back there. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Tire thread. This over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side, the rear passenger seat. The holes, the tears, the rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat. Window holes, no tears, the rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread. It's just under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is running. Things are beautiful. Folks, once again, a 2018 Hyundai Elantra with 16,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.